Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagale. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss how to make effective short notes. Many students ask me how to make short notes, how to revise subjects. After learning 2-3 subjects, we are forgetting our first subject. So how we should prepare this subject? So I will discuss all this, how to make short notes which will help you for revising. So I will discuss this in this video. So let us start our discussion. While making short notes, first thing, why there is need to make a short notes. Why you want to spend time to making this short notes? First reason, it saves your time. After once you have made short notes, while you want to revise, you should again revise it from short notes. That's much sufficient. And second advantages is, if you make short notes, you will get to know which part is difficult, you are facing difficult. And after doing this short note, you can spend more time on this difficult part. This is another advantage of making short notes. And some other advantage for me is, once I made short notes, while again I want to revise this subject, I was taking one rough notebook and writing all formulas, or writing everything which I have written on short notes. It will make you practice to revise formulas. This is one also advantage of making short notes. And for another advantage is, while you are going for test or you are appearing in a paper, at that time you could not revise whole subject. On 10 a.m. you want to give examination, and on morning you could not start reading every page and every word from the notebook. You want, at that time you should revise, read your short notes, and this will help you to prepare for examination. So, and this is what I want to tell you, how to why there is need of short notes. This I have talked. And second point I want to talk is, which points you want to keep in mind while making a short notes. First point you want to keep in mind is, this short notes should cover each and every point. Once you revise this short notes, each and every point in your notebook, or your notes, it get covered, and you will revise everything. How to make these short notes, I will discuss after some time. And this is one. And second point you want to keep in mind is, this short notes should contain most of the formulas. You should not write big paragraphs inside short notes. This is one important thing you want to consider while making a short notes. And another very important point we want to keep in mind while making short notes is, it should also contain some important sentences. Like any sentence which you forgot every time, you are making mistake about that sentence in some examination. And if any new sentence, new theory question come in any examination, and you find it important, then you should write it in your short notes. This is some points you want to consider. And after I talk with many students, and I found they ask me some question, like वो बोलते हैं कि मुझे ये फॉर्मूला अभी स्टार्टिंग को याद है, पर कुछ दिन के बाद भूल रहा हूँ, उसका मैं क्या करूँ? अभी पढ़ रहा तो वो बहुत अच्छे से याद है, पर उसका क्या करूँ? नहीं तो एग्ज़ाम के टाइम भूल जाता हूँ ये फॉर्मूला, तो ये फॉर्मूला लिखना चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए? सो I will suggest is, you should write this formula in your short notes, and you should again and again revise this formulas, and whichever point you find difficult, you should spend more time on it. And one important point which I strongly recommend you is, if you got time and if you are reading book, any standard book of any subject, and if you find any important formulas or any important sentence in this book, you should strongly write it in your short notes. This will help you to revise. While you are doing revision, you do not want to read whole book. You are only reading your short notes. That much is sufficient while you are making revision. This is all points I want to talk about you for short notes. And remember one thing: your short notes should be such a way that it is a short copy of your whole notebook and standard books also. It is a short copy of it, and its maximum is 2 to 3 pages. In this video, I will show you some short notes. This is my whole fluid mechanics notebook. Whole fluid mechanics subject I have written in this notebook. And while I want to solve paper or solve any question paper and revise my fluid mechanics subject, when I am feeling I am forgetting this subject, at that time I could not revise whole notebook. So I have made short notes of this subject like this. Yes, I think it is visible to you. I have made 3 columns, and in each column I have made 3 columns, and here it is what yes, first topic is properties of fluid, and its whole many important points which I feel important I have written in this way. Here's whole and important points, important diagrams like of how viscosity is changed. First point under properties of fluid, viscosity, and other very important diagrams which I am feeling to revise each and every time. I have made it in like this way. And this is for fluid mechanics, and yes. Look here, some important topics like entrance length, entrance region. I generally forgetting it. I generally do not revise it. I am forgetting it. So I have written some important sentences and all formulas for fluid mechanics in this way. Some important diagrams and such a way I have made. And on this page, yes, here look at this point. In Sengel, while reading Sengel book, I come across some important points. Important formulas. So I have written it in this video, in these notes. So this is for fluid mechanics. In such a way, I have made short notes for each and every subject: fluid mechanics, mechanical operation, mass transfer, and every subject, even for mathematics, each part of mathematics, calculus, differential equation, numerical methods. I have made short notes in such a way, and while I want to revise it, I am feeling I am forgetting this subject. I was taking one rough notebook and writing all formulas from these short notes. I was only taking short notes and writing it again and again. In this way, I was doing revision of each subject, and I will also suggest you to do. If you are doing in such a way, it will really help you while doing your revision. This is a mass transfer notebook, whole 200 pages notebook, and totally filled with mass transfer concepts. So I have made its short notes also. Its short notes are hardly 2 pages. Diffusion and same short notes, same kind of short notes. Here are some important figures of absorption, important figures like absorption factor is less than 1, greater than 1, and equal to 1. What will be condition? I have made short notes in such a way. Thank you for watching this video. I think this is very helpful video for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you, and let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.